Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today I will discuss with you how to MRI of HBS planning protocol. I discuss with you step by step guide. Okay, now let's go start it. First of all, you can see here there are three images, both are localizer images. This is sagittal, this is coronal, and another is axial image. So look at the protocol showing, and now I will do the plan. Coronal images. So coronal images planning will be on the sagittal and axial images. Now I nicely set up the planning following the anatomy and physiology and showing here the parameters. Okay, and look at the pathology. Okay, now everything is fine. Now apply. Okay, now next planning T2 HASTE coronal FS. Just copy T2 HASTE coronal. So at first now open the protocol and just write copy parameters, license distribution, and okay. Now and apply. And now next planning T2 HASTE transfers. Planning will be on the sagittal and coronal images. Look at the protocol. Now nicely, okay. Now they apply. Okay, now apply. Next protocol, in phase. At first open the protocol. Okay. Now everything is fine. Out phase. Just copy and apply. Okay. Coronal, just copy to T2